children! Welcome to our virtual class. Again, I'm Teacher Eunice, your English teacher. We are going to continue our lesson last week, the 4 types of verb aspects. But today, we're going to focus only on the progressive aspect. But before we go to our main discussion today, let us have first a review by answering the short activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct word for each sentence. Is, am, are, was, were, be, been are examples of blank verbs. What is the correct word for this sentence? The correct word is linking verbs. Walk, talk, and eat are examples of blank verbs. Do you have any idea? The correct word is they are an examples of action verbs. Blank of the verb refers to the state of action. The missing word is aspects. Blank is used to express an action or habitual action to take place in the future time. What is the missing word in this sentence? The correct answer is simple future tense. Now, to exercise what you have learned last week, write the correct form of the verb. Write your answers on your notebook. I'll give you enough time to answer the activity. Your time starts now. Now let us check, but if you need more time to think, you can pause the video. So these are the correct answers. Number 1, bake. For simple past, bake, you will just add ed. Number 2, crawl. Simple present. If the noun is singular, you will just add s, crawls. If the noun is plural, you will not add s. It will remain crawl. Number 3, wash. For simple future, you will add will or shall. It will become will, shall wash. Number 4, drive. Simple past. Since drive is irregular verbs, you will change the spelling of the verb. It will become drove. Number 5, write. For simple future, add will or shall. Will, shall write. Okay, have you got a perfect score? If yes, then you did a great job. If not, there's still next time. Now let us have the main discussion. First, let us have the present progressive. The present progressive expresses ongoing actions. Examples: the teacher is preparing the lessons. What is the verb in this sentence? We have is preparing. The students are taking the test now. What is the verb in this sentence? Are taking. Remember, when we talk about the present progressive, you are going to use be verbs like am, is, are, plus ing form of the verb. Now let us have the past progressive. The past progressive can be an action in progress at some specific point of time in the past. Examples: Timmy was walking to the office at 7 this morning. What is the verb in this sentence? Was walking. Then look at the time expressions. 7 this morning. I was preparing for the church at 6 o'clock yesterday. What is the verb in this sentence? Was preparing. Then the time expression, 6 o'clock yesterday, meaning to say the verb was happened in the past. Past progressive can be also a past action simultaneous with another event. There were two actions happened at the same time. Examples: they were preparing for the party when the visitors came. The first verb is were preparing. The second verb, came. Two actions were happened at the same time. Remember, when we talk about the past progressive, you are going to use be verbs, was, were, plus ing form of the verb. Just like the examples in the sentences, was walking. Walk plus ing form of the verb. Was preparing. Prepare plus ing form of the verb. The last one is the future progressive. Future progressive is an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Your keyword is the word future. Examples: Trina will be graduating from elementary this year. What is the verb in the sentence? Will be graduating. The time expression that is used in the sentence is this year. The grade 5 pupils will be attending a mass tomorrow. What is the verb in the sentence? Will be attending. The time expression is tomorrow. Remember, when we talk about the future progressive, you are going to use be verbs, will, shall, plus ing form of the verb. Just like in the examples, will be graduating, will, graduate plus ing form of the verb. Will, attending, attend plus ing form of the verb. Now, do you get the difference between the three tenses? If yes, let us answer this simple activity. Directions: compose clear and coherent sentences using the given verbs and their progressive aspects. This will serve as your performance task. You may write your answers on your notebook or in a bond paper. You can also make a video while reading the sentences aloud. If you're done, show your answers to your teacher. Your time starts now. Now, if you need more time to think, you can pause the video. Do you have any questions? If you don't have any questions, then see you again next week for another discussion. Goodbye, class!